How much practice is enough practice? How much is enough? Oh, that is a slippery slope. That is a tricky question that you ask. If that's on your mind, I would highly recommend to you to let it go, okay? Do your best, okay? The first thing as a beginner guitarist is just to play the guitar. Get used to making it a habit. So as a former personal trainer, and I actually still do some personal training to very specific clients, exclusive clients, but as a beginner, you must create a habit of practice, okay? That's the number one thing. So as a personal trainer, for the people that are just starting out or that have proven that they have not been able to create the habit of working out, first thing is just to get to the gym for the set amount of times per week, okay? Same thing with the guitar. Just get the guitar in your hands for however many days. I recommend daily because it's not working out, okay? So you can play guitar every day and make it a goal just to get the guitar in your hands, to make it a habit, okay? And consider that a success as a beginner or as somebody who's coming back to the guitar, or that you're having trouble just practicing consistently. Try to get that idea there's some kind of block for you, possibly, that practice is a block, okay? Just get the guitar in your hands and play guitar. Have fun. Do something that's fun. If you're getting overwhelmed with the idea of, I have to practice this, which can easily happen for flamenco guitar players because we have such a variety of techniques, so many different things that we have to put in time at. There's so many skill sets to try to juggle that it can get overwhelming. I mean, literally, you can create I can easily create a 3-hour practice program for guitar for a flamenco guitarist, and you'd go, well, that doesn't cover this. I mean, your practice program could be 9 hours long every day, and you're still feeling like you're not practicing enough. So the other way to let yourself a little off the hook, if you're feeling like, oh, I'm not practicing enough, is to go, hopefully you know who Paco de Lucia is, okay? So Paco de Lucia, he passed away, and he was still practicing up right until he passed away, okay? If that guy is still practicing, everybody needs to practice all the time, all the live long day, okay? So that's it. That's the answer. Enough. What is enough? It's a point where you can say, I feel okay about it. Could I practice more? Yes, you can always practice more, unless you practice 24 hours a day, which maybe you could do once or twice in a row, and then your body's going to shut down, okay? So we have to, we all have a certain amount of other responsibilities, and we have to eat and get some sleep, and so there you have it. Enough. It depends on where that question is coming from. It depends on, if you're a beginner, if you're struggling to practice at all because you're unmotivated, let me know. I would super appreciate hearing in this whole comment section below. Let me know. You have the power to get in touch with me. Let me know where you are in that spectrum. I just want to know if, how much I should practice as a very beginner, or I'm having trouble. I used to practice, 3 hours a day, and now I'm not practicing like I want to practice, or it's not feeling like it's enough. Are you not getting the results you want from your practice? So it could be the quality of your practice. So there's a whole bunch of ways to go about this. So that, like I said, is a very slippery slope. That whole idea of I practicing enough? How much practice is enough? I want to commend you for watching this video and trying to get ideas on how much practice is enough, because that means there is a part of you that wants to do well and get better at this instrument, at playing guitar and playing flamenco guitar. So you should pat yourself on the back a little bit, yeah, for just even watching a video like this, because this means you have that fire in you. Okay, you might be struggling with it currently, like feeling somehow down. I just encourage you to keep on watching videos or ask me questions. Put it in the link below, or not the link, but put it in the comments below. Okay, that's it right now. That's all I have for you. Okay, make sure to subscribe, get the notifications button. Let me know what questions you have, what concerns you have about guitar playing. I'm happy to help you in any way I can. Thanks so much. Have a great day, and here's to a long life of great guitar playing, all right?